Welcome everyone. Myself, Dr. Ashish Khan Chaudhary, Faculty of Commerce, Banaras Hindu University. It is course related to the tribal entrepreneurship and economics. It is module 6, lecture number 2, related to the tribal indigenous entity. In previous lecture, we also know the importance of the tribal indigenous entity, also know the introduction of the indigenous entity, focus on the importance of the self-determination and the global indigenous communities. Previous lecture is also defined legal recognition and challenges related to the tribal indigenous community, and also we define meaning of the tribal indigenous entity on the basis of the tribal indigenous and entity, and also know some important indigenous entity related to the tribals with the help of the some examples like Worli, Apatani, Sidi, and others, Dongaria, etc. So in this lecture, we try to cover different aspects of the tribal indigenous entity related to the his thoughts, related to the his belief and spirituality. We know that importance of the indigenous communities profile with the help of the two examples. First example is सेंटिनल लीज. सेंटिनल लीज जो है एक अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप समूह में एक ऐसा ट्राइबल इंडिजीनियस एंटिटी का एग्जाम्पल है जो कि मेन स्ट्रीम के साथ टच नहीं होना चाहता है. इसका प्रॉब्लम ये है, वी कैन डोंट नो अबाउट हिज थॉट्स, about his belief, about his spirituality and other functions, because Sentinel Lease is a stay in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. His demographic details identify on the basis of the estimated population. We can say they have a 50 to 500 individuals, and age distribution is also unknown due to the lack of the contact. Language spoken, it is unclassified language, possibly related to the Andamani language. Some of the persons say it is Sentinel Lease language used. Residency, it is stay entire community life to on North Sentinel land. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो कि सेंटिनेल आइलैंड है उसके आसपास ये लोग रहते हैं और वहाँ पे किसी भी व्यक्ति को जाने से मना करते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव ए स्पेशल फीचर्स एंड एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू द सेंटिनलीज. दे आर हैव ए स्पेशल प्रोविजन. द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज implemented a restricted area around North Sentinel lands to the minimize dispersions and protect this island from the outside contact. There are ongoing efforts to learn more about the culture and traditions throughout indirect observation, respecting their right to self-determination and isolation is a paramount. Second is very important example that is known Sikhu-Mint Inuit. It is also very important tribe. Sikhu-Mint Inuit. It is a stay on the Canada Nunavut जगह है जहाँ पर ये है क्योंकि ये मेन स्ट्रीम के साथ अटैच हैं. इनके बारे में जो भी हमारे पास डेटा है वो 100% एश्योर है, और गवर्नमेंट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द हिज प्रोवाइडेड डेटा, गवर्नमेंट आल्सो टू प्रोवाइडेड different types functions and different types facilities. This community's name is Sikhu-Mint Inuit, that is location is Canada, and we also say they have approximately 1,200 people, and we can also distributed age distribution on the basis of the available data: 40% children, 30% youth, and 25% adults, 5% elders. On the basis of the above data, government provided different type facilities related to the schemes and related to the other facilities, and they have two language, Inuktitut and English. English is spoken among younger generation because young blood is attached with the mainstream societies, and it is also residency is 80% living on reserve secluded areas and 20% living off reserve in outside of the mainstreams. और हम ये कह सकते हैं, दो एग्जाम्पल आपको मैंने बताया जो दोनों ये बताते हैं कि ट्राइबल इंडिजीनियस एंटिटी में रहने वाले लोग भी यदि मेन स्ट्रीम के साथ अटैच रहेंगे तो उनका डेवलपमेंट होगा। जैसे कि जो अंडमान में रह रहे हैं लेकिन वो भारत में रहने वाले मेन स्ट्रीम के साथ उनका कोई भी अटैचमेंट नहीं है, इस कारण गवर्नमेंट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उस ट्राइब्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकती है, लेकिन उनको एक स्पेशल फैसिलिटीज, स्पेशल स्कीम्स प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकती ड्यू टू द रीजन ऑफ द पर्सनल आइसोलेशन। नेक्स्ट इज प्रोग्राम एंड सर्विसेज फॉर द इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटीज। With the help of the unique challenges and with the help of the different programs, government specified tribal indigenous communities needs and his requirement, and they have generated some special key aspects related to the development of the tribal indigenous communities. They also try to develop education initiative related to the tribal indigenous community, especially in early childhood education program that value indigenous language and know the cultural practices in early learning centers. It is also try to develop healthcare services because we know that delivery of healthcare services that have a traditional healing practices and belief, हम सभी की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि जो हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज हैं उन हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज को इस तरह प्रोटेक्ट करें कि इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटी उसको अडॉप्ट करे और उसमें इंटरेस्ट लेकर उन हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज को यूटिलाइज करे। नेक्स्ट इज द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट parts of the program and services for the indigenous communities. During this, it is government responsibility to provide different types projects for the development of the economics and development of the employment opportunities. Next point is cultural preservation efforts. It is also important part because every tribal indigenous communities believe in their culture and believe in their thoughts. So it is our responsibility to try to different efforts for the preservation of the cultural and heritage activities. Next point is partnership and collaboration empowering indigenous communities. We know that for the development of the indigenous communities, for the empowerment of the indigenous communities, we are doing work with the help of the partnership, with the help of the collaboration, because building a strong partnership between indigenous communities and various stakeholders, it is essential for addressing their challenges and achieving on the basis of the empowering their achieve their goals. Collaboration with government agencies. गवर्नमेंट प्रयास कर रही है कि हम गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज और जो ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज में रहने वाले डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज हैं उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशन करें, बिकॉज दे आर द लोकल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, दे आर द नो स्पिरिचुअलिटी बिलीफ थॉट्स ऑफ द ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज आर इंडिजिनियस कम्युनिटीज. सो इफ वी कोलैबोरेट विद local communities and government agencies, we can try to empower indigenous societies. Partnership with NGO. It is not possible to government collaborate with every place. So it is our social responsibility go with NGO, non-governmental organization, and try to make a partnership for the development of the empowering indigenous communities. Cooperation with other indigenous entity. It is our responsibility for the development of the tribal societies. Go with cooperate with other tribal indigenous for the development of the society, because we know that sharing best practices, traditional knowledge and strategic for the addressing common challenges across indigenous communities. So it is necessary to cooperate with other indigenous entities and know about importance of the empowerment and self-determination of the collaboration, because we know that successful collaboration empower indigenous communities to make decision about their own future and manage their resources effectively. There are the few examples related to the development of tribal communities. First is Maori tribes. Maori people of New Zealand is very popular because they work with the government agencies and developed their thoughts and developed their empowering indigenous community with the help of the fishing, with the help of the forest non-timber products. American are also working together to advocate for the protection of the Amazon rainforest. It is also very important example for the development of the tribal indigenous entity, क्योंकि अमेजन वर्षा वन को सभी लोग जानते हैं, जहाँ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, जहाँ को सेफ रखने के लिए विभिन्न टाइप के एनजीओ, विभिन्न टाइप के लोकल कम्युनिटीज और गवर्नमेंट उस अमेजन जंगल में रहने वाले लोकल इंडिजिनियस कम्युनिटी के साथ मिलकर उस प्रोडक्ट को या अमेजन वर्षा वन के थॉट्स को डेवलप किए, जिससे कि वहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट का प्रोसेस बहुत ही तेज़ी से हो गया है। इसी तरह वन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट कनाडा इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटीज़। कनाडा में भी एजुकेशन फील्ड में रिलेटेड टू द इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटीज़ आप समझ सकते हैं दैट इज पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एनजीओ, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट के साथ उन्होंने जो टाई अप किया है वो डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाया, लेकिन जो एनजीओ के साथ उन्होंने कोलैबोरेशन किया, पार्टनरशिप के साथ एजुकेशन को प्रमोट करने का प्रयास किया, दैट बिल्ड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्टनरशिप, बिल्ड ए एडवोकेसी एंड बिल्ड ए positive awareness in Canada indigenous in communities in education field. Next is the impact and success story. Indigenous communities. It is a very important part because indigenous community around the world are achieving remarkable things through their dedication to cultural preservation, self-determination and collaboration. मैंने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में ही डिस्कस किया था कि व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द कल्चरल प्रिजर्वेशन एंड सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन एंड कोलैबोरेशन. दीज 3 पॉइंट्स कल्चरल प्रिजर्वेशन, सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन एंड कोलैबोरेशन create a important impact in indigenous communities. They have the positive impact because on the basis of the quantitative data on program impact, on the basis of the testimonial from communities members, on the basis of the success story illustrating positive outcome, these 3 points के basis पे हम कह सकते हैं कि indigenous communities cultural preservation, self determination and collaboration के साथ मिलकर काम करने के बाद इन्होंने एक रिमार्केबल स्टेटस सोसाइटी में जनरेट किया है. बिकॉज वी नो दैट फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द उआ पीपुल ऑफ कोलंबिया. कोलंबिया में एक जनजाति है जिसका नाम है उआ, UWAA. उआ जनजाति है जो ये बताती है कि अगर आपको मार्केट में सरवाइव करना है या अपने पैटर्नल प्रोडक्ट को बचाना है, लाइक पैटर्नल लैंड, लाइक पैटर्नल ऑयल ड्रिलिंग एंड लाइक फॉरेस्ट एंड योर लाइफ स्टाइल, इनको अगर बचाना है तो इन तीनों के साथ आपको कोलैबोरेशन, सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन एंड कल्चरल प्रिजर्वेशन को ध्यान में रख के अपना प्रोडक्शन और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द योर society. Maori education related to the New Zealand, it is also discussed in previous lecture. न्यूजीलैंड में माओरी एजुकेशन सिस्टम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट था जो कि गवर्नमेंट एंड एनजीओ के एफर्ट से एक पॉजिटिव आउटकम्स लाया और माओरी लैंग्वेज को, माओरी कल्चर्स को प्रोटेक्ट किया. एंड इट इज ए नेक्स्ट इज ए आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द illustration, that is Navajo solar project, that is very popular and it is generated new opportunity for the employment, it is generated new income resources, and that is a very successful part of the empowering indigenous communities. On the basis of the above discussion, we say it is important to acknowledge that indigenous communities still face significant challenges including poverty, including environmental degradation and social issue. However, these three success stories highlight above demonstrate the power of collaboration, power of self-determination and cultural knowledge in overcoming these challenges and building a bright future related to the indigenous communities. Next is the sustainability and future plans related to the indigenous community, charting their courses. We know that indigenous communities have a long history of living in harmony with their thoughts. Thoughts means strategy for long-term sustainability, plan for expansion and growth, goals for the future. ये कुछ ऐसे important point हैं जिनको कि इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटीज हमेशा प्रयास करता है कि इसको हम डेवलप करें और इसको हम प्रमोट करें. बिकॉज वी नो दैट इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटीज हैज ए ट्रेडिशनल इकोलॉजिकल नॉलेज, TEK, traditional eco knowledge, have a resource management practices for the sustainable hunting, fishing and land use. It is our responsibility to develop renewable energy development because investing in solar, wind and energy sources to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and protect their environment. Biodiversity conservation, it is also important part for the society because participating in initiative to protect different types of the features and maintain healthy ecosystem for future generation. Knowledge transmission, it is also important part for the ensuring the transmission of TEK, traditional ecological knowledge, TEK and cultural practices to younger generation through storytelling, through apprenticeship and language programs. International collaboration for the sustainability and future plan, it is our responsibility to fostering collaboration between elders, youth and knowledge keepers to ensure a holistic approach to sustainability. So these strategy for the long term sustainability, it is important because it is our responsibility to focus on traditional eco-knowledge system, focus on climate change adaptation, focus on biodiversity conservation, focus on knowledge transmission and international collaboration. It is the important part for the any sustainability in indigenous communities courses. Next point is the plan for expansion and growth. Plan for extension and growth, it is an important part for the sustainability and future plan regarding to indigenous communities charting their courses. So it is our responsibility economic development to focus on the economic development because developing sustainable business based on traditional knowledge and practices such as ecotourism, handicraft and indigenous food production. So we can focus on the expansion of the economic development Education and capacity building. It is the pillar of the sustainability and future plan of the indigenous communities, because investing in education and training program to equip communities members with skills for economic development and self-sufficiency. It is important to do the work in education and capacity building, entrepreneurship and innovation. It is also important for the plan for expansion and growth, because entrepreneurship and innovation encouraging and supporting the creation of indigenous business that create job and contribute to local communities. Next point is the goal for the future. Which type for goal determined for the indigenous communities? It is a important part, because self-determination is a important part for the future. Achieving greater control and other resources and government schemes. For these points, it is necessary to develop self-determination in the indigenous communities. Cultural preservation is also important part for the future sustainability, because ensuring the survival and flourishing of their language, traditions and knowledge system for the future generation. It is very necessary to preserve cultural and heritage preservation, improve living standards, raising the quality of life in indigenous communities through increased access to education, through healthcare and economic opportunity. These are the important goals for the future, because self-determination, cultural preservation and improving living standards, environmental sustainability, these are the features. Those are very helpful for the sustainability and future plan related to the indigenous communities for long lasting. Amazon वर्षा एंड कनाडा का इनफुट फियोमिया या माओरी का project plan. These are the important features for the sustainability and future plan. Those are very helpful for the indigenous communities last decades, and also it is very popular and also have the lot of the opportunity and in coming years. Preserving the tapestry of traditions related to indigenous cultural efforts. We know that indigenous communities around the world hold a wealth of culture, knowledge, and it is also transferred through generation to generation with the help of the cultural preservation. So it is our responsibility to efforts to preserve indigenous language. Government also try to develop different types language lab. It is our responsibility to invite, organize different type cultural events and celebrate and go in the tribal communities and participated in the different events and celebrate with the direct importance of preservation. Also know the importance of the preservation, because we know that there are the different digital language, there are the communities language, there are the different types program. Those are very helpful for the preservation. Have a harvest festival, yeah, or storytelling gathering. These are the important features. Those are very helpful in preserving the tapestry of the traditions related to the indigenous cultural efforts. It has also some challenges, and it is very important for the society, because despite these challenges, indigenous communities are taking an active role in preserving their cultures. By supporting their efforts and recognition the value of their traditions, we can ensure a future where these unique culture expression continue to the society and continue to the global world. On the basis of the above discussion, we can say the future of tribal entity on their ability to address these challenges and capitalize on the opportunities before them. By working together, indigenous communities, government, NGO and the other private sector can build a more just and equitable future that respect indigenous right and value and their knowledge system and foster sustainable development for the all. So we can say engaging the heart of the communities, it is our social responsibility to involve with indigenous communities. और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इंडिजीनियस कम्युनिटीज आदिवासी या ट्राइबल्स को मेन स्ट्रीम में बनाए रखने के लिए हम सब की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड इकोनॉमिक्स के प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स में उनको मूव करने का प्रयास करें। इस लेक्चर में कुछ एग्जाम्पल ऐसे दिए गए हैं जो कि ये इंडिकेट करते हैं कि अगर उनको ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और इकोनॉमिक्स के साथ अटैच करेंगे तो they can run, they can growth with the main streams. Thank you very much.